Welcome to part 2, picking up where I last left off. Here's the mailbox that I made. It's actually going to be the drive shaft tunnel made out of scored balsa wood, fitted around a form onto the floor pan. Here I've got it filled with resin, thickened resin, and kind of pre-soaking. Here's the front part of it fitting around the opening for the parking brake. Here getting fitted onto the chassis, dry fitted. Now I'm gluing it down and weighting it down to the floor pan, making sure it's going to set properly. And then from there, fitting in the parking brake handle, cut open an opening there, made a template for the opening to recess the parking brake handle down. Made a metal box and fit that in there. Put some filler around the hump. Ready to fiberglass there. Everything is set up, and here it is with a couple layers of 1708 fiberglass on it on the top, and then here's the bottom with the part that I was planning to cut out, and then the seams are all sealed, and then the bottom is laminated, and that's pretty much done and ready to fit up with the car. All right, guys, come on into the shop here. I'll show you the finished floor pan. And I'm going to try to stick it on the car, which is right there. I might not have mentioned, this thing weighs 48.6 pounds. What you're seeing right there is putting it in for the very first time. What I'm going to do now is, see, I've cut some more of the floor pan and the old center tunnel out. So I'm going to try to not drop the body, but rather lift the chassis and see what that looks like. Alright, here it is. You can get a sense of how this looks inside, or it will look inside. There's the tunnel. There will be an armrest on top of there. Seats fit nicely. Tunnel fits nicely. Got about 3 inches of drop from the old floor level. You can see the old remnant of the old floor there. 3 inches in the back, about 3 3/4 in the front. Get a sense here how that's going to mount. There'll be another wider flange under the body here that goes to the inside there. Plenty of room to lean the seats back, and plenty of headroom, and I think they look pretty good. So move on to phase 2. I've got to get the doors mounted and door jambs and the body mounts all done. That'll be my next project.